If you ask me what was the best New Year's resolution I committed to, it was something that our broker asked us to reflect on, and it was in December for I was about to say 1996. You Silva, yeah, look at the weather. It's actually snowing and I'm heading to office to work. So back to the resolution. The biggest one for this year is, if you want different results, you need to do something different. What is it? What is it for you? For me, if you ask me, I will let you know in the comments below. And it's huge. So we all know that Einstein said, pardon me, I think you're saying Einstein. Okay, I'm saying Einstein because of the country that I come from and my German upbringing. No, I'm kidding. So he had said that doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results is the definition of insanity, right? Well, yeah, and we are so very much used to it. I bet you're not even thinking when you're saying it, and you're not even applying it, let alone to what you're doing. So we decided, obviously, to modify the question. What is one thing that you're going to do this year that is going to help you make your life different? What is one thing that you're going to do this year differently that is going to help you to make your life different? Of course, if you want to. Go! I used to work in this building. That was the UBS building. This was the largest stock bourse in the world per seat, per square foot. You can look it up, and they closed it. When I came to this country, to Stanford in particular, there were 50 headquarters of the top 50 worldwide and nationwide, US-wide companies. The number one, 50 headquarters. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, it was, oh my God, where am I? What am I going to do? Which one I'm going to choose? I believe I was, at some point, I wanted to go after UBS and also General Electric, GE. It was number one on the front page of the magazine and the newspaper. And I said, okay, yes, I'm at the right place, until everything crashed, like notoriously, one after another, after another, after another. And I ended up working in the UBS building, but as a hostess for Morton's Steakhouse. It was fun. It was so much fun. And by the way, I even got the pin, the golden pin for 5 years work. I was the weekend hostess at Morton's Steakhouse. In my previous video, I spoke about it. It's actually not Christopher, the name of the recipe for the best shrimp ever. It is Christopher Alexander. So how on earth, Shrimp Alexander. Shrimp Alexander. So apparently I'm thinking about Christopher Alexander, and I don't know why. So that's what your brain can do when you look to multitask. multitasking, according to Gary Keller, who wrote The One Thing, is the best way to screw up a few things all together simultaneously. Yeah, that's the definition of multitasking. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.